Hi guys, I'm Kate and today is a very exciting day because it's actually my first time to do a vlog, so very big guys. And today is not only exciting but it's also challenging because I'm going to build a gaming computer. And I don't have any experience, it's my first time. I'm not a techie person, I'm not good with computers. So let's begin. So we're done with the unboxing and that's the easy part. Now let's do the tricky bit. Now I'm going to install the processor to our motherboard. And the motherboard that we're using is the ROG Strix B450i gaming motherboard. And we've got the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor. Now let's install it. Ooh, I know I've got to be very careful with this one. It's a very delicate thing. Next is the SSD. We're using the 970 EVO Plus Samsung SSD and it has a 500 gig capacity. The SSD. Now I'm going to install the memory and it's a 16 gig kit, DDR4 3000 Hz. Put this one, so it's already unlocked. Now it should fit in there. And I should hear a clicking sound. 1, 2, and second one. So it's 8 gig each and it should fit perfectly. It's a bit tight. 1, 2. There we go. So I've already installed the processor, the memory, and the SSD, and now I'm going to prepare the water cooling. And instead of using the stock cooling, I'm going to use this Cooler Master, which is a ML240L RGB. So it should look like this, which is very cool. Setting up the water cooling. Now I'm going to install this to the processor, and this water cooling comes with this thermal paste, but I'm going to use a different one. So it's a Noctua NTH1 thermal paste. So let's put some thermal paste. Water cooling. Now let's set this one aside because I'm going to remove this bit and then we can put this inside the casing. I've already removed the cover for this casing. Now I'm going to install a deep cool CF140 addressable RGB LED case fan. So I'm quite excited when this one is already working because it looks very cool. It's got an RGB LED light. We're done with the casing and we're done with the motherboard and the water cooling. Now I'm going to put the I/O shield first before we can put the motherboard. So that's done. Now let's put this one inside. Power supply inside. Now the power supply that we're using is a Thermaltake. It's rated 80 plus gold and it's also RGB and it's 650 watts.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Now we're going to put put the video card, and the video card that we're using is the ROG Strix. It's RX 580 graphics card. To clean this mess because it's a bit messy, and we'll do the cable management. I don't think I'll be able to finish the cable management tonight, so it's already 11:30, and I guess I'll just continue doing this one tomorrow because I'm not yet done. Hi guys, it's Kate again, and we finished the cable management. So this is how it looks like, and that's all neat and tidy. So tonight I'm just going to put the cover back to the casing, and I'm going to unbox the keyboard, the mouse and the monitor. Okay, so we'll start with the front cover. Unbox the keyboard that we're going to use, and it's an ROG Claymore. It's an MX Cherry Blue, and it's a mechanical keyboard. And let's unbox this.
Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel.
Guys, the keyboard and the numlock comes separately, so you can attach it here, like that. We're going to unbox the mouse that we're going to use, and it's from Logitech. It's a G903 wireless gaming mouse. And this one is a very cool stuff because if you're a lefty, you can use that one, and if the mouse is quite light for you, you can also add some weight, which is 10 grams. So this really works for me if I use this one because I'm a lefty. And last but not the least, we're going to unbox the monitor. So it's an ROG Strix XG32V, and it's 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's a QHD curved gaming monitor. So let's open this.
Oh, inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
This is a moment of truth. Took me 8 hours and a half to build the whole computer, and hopefully it works. Now let's turn this on. See how nice that one? It's very colorful. Whoa. I thought it's not gonna turn on. So guys, it has a display, so everything is good. We just need to install some Windows operating system on it, and then it will be working. And that's it. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and click subscribe.